we will enter the alpha level of the mind using the 100 to 1 countdown. Now sit in a comfortable position. You can also sit on a chair, and with a smile on your face, close your eyes. Now take a deep breath. Exhale and relax your body from the top of your head till your toes. Take some time. I am now going to count from 100 to 1. Keep breathing slowly and deeply throughout the exercise. 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 55, 56, 57, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 56, 57, 58, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now take a moment and daydream about some peaceful place you know and have been to. Now say to yourself mentally, every day, in every way, my life is getting better, better, and better. I will always maintain a perfectly healthy body and mind. To come out of this level of mind, say to yourself, I will slowly come out as I count from 1 to 5, feeling wide awake and better than before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you open your eyes, affirm it once again. I am wide awake and feeling better than before. With daily practice, you will gradually relax more quickly and deeply. You will at least need 7 weeks of practice to go to lower levels of alpha.